It's Nancy welcoming you to Garden Scroll. So I have been going through old albums, and I know some of them are yellow with age and some of them are brown with age, but I have been going through them, and I'm going to try to do those. I've been telling my sisters and my family that I'm going to get them a movie made. So that's my plan and my goal, and so I've been doing that. I've been very busy with that, and it just seems like time is just running through that hourglass, and I don't want it to run out before I get some things done. So today, and maybe for a while, I'm going to go back and get some short clips from some of the movies that I've already made, and these are some of my favorites. I hope you enjoy them too. Look at this. Foliage all brown and ratty. What's not is nipped, twisted, and curled. The garden decor in this pot has been broken and glued back together almost as many times as a hard wind has blown. But look at this. What's the difference? The sun is shining through it. Oh, to let God's sun shine through us. And I'm going to try to do another short and maybe a few different ones in the next few weeks. So, and if you enjoyed this one and would like to see the entire post that this one was taken from, just look back at Garden Scroll, just what I wanted. Please be sure to like and to subscribe to the channel.